So in 2025, if you're a content creator and you don't have a professional portfolio, you might be losing out on clients because almost everyone on the high-paying clients, they want to see a preview of your work before they start working with you. Not just a screenshot or maybe a short video you send to them via WhatsApp or email, but you need a presentation of all your works, at least a little background or maybe biography about you, your skills and all of that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a website that allows you to choose templates, customize them to your liking, colors and everything. That allows you to display your work online. And with just a click, client or maybe individuals can just watch or have a preview of what you do and samples of your work. And this applies to all creators, whether being a photographer, videographer, a dancer, a blogger, graphic design, any kind of content that you create online or even offline. You can just get pictures or videos of them, craft it into one template, design it how you want it, and to make it or even to take it a step further, you can even buy a custom domain for it within the app or maybe within the website, or maybe if you have a different web hosting company, you can just go ahead and buy a domain from them. And with that, people will be able to get access to your works or preview of your portfolio before they start working with you, so it becomes easier. They know what they are expecting or they know what you can do to avoid back and forth with some clients. I know how difficult it is to work with clients nowadays. So the name of this website is called Cart. I will show a presentation of how I'll do my own on the screen. So the name of the website is called Cart.co. So with Cart.co, you just need to create an account, or you can even log in with your existing Gmail or Apple ID. So after that, you scroll through their templates. They have free and paid ones. So you just scroll through the free ones. You choose the one that fits your style or your colors or maybe your brand colors. So after choosing that, you make sure you click on it, and all the templates and the features are customizable. So you just click on it, change the pictures, text, you add your own text, you can duplicate some of the layers and all of that. If you're a beginner, within 30 minutes to 1 hour, you should know your way around and come up with a beautiful portfolio for your brand. If you have more than, let's say, 5 or 6 works to show on your website, it's a plus for you. So if this tutorial helped you create your new portfolio or free portfolio today, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this to a friend as well. I'm Kwame Fortune, and I'll see you again in the next video.